While our accomplishments during 2020 were as varied as the 6,000 members we serve, our mission remained clear: to help our members succeed as real estate professionals. Bay East was an essential partner in helping members navigate challenges and provide resources to safely assist their clients.
When shelter-in-place first went into effect, there were daily changes affecting the profession. Bay East responded immediately by offering a series of virtual town hall meetings to keep our members informed. We created the weekly Insider Live to engage and inform our members. We also launched Bay East On Demand to make it easier to participate in virtual classes and provide members with the best learning experience possible.
Although events and meetings looked different during 2020, Bay East committees adapted to working virtually to accomplish their goals and address new challenges. The marketing groups collected more than $6,000 for the Alameda County Community Food Bank to help support local families, communities, and essential service workers during the COVID-19 crisis.
Demonstrating the Bay East culture, Bay East officers, directors, and staff called more than 6,000 members to check in, see how everyone was doing, answer questions members had, and let them know that although the physical offices were closed, Bay East was still open for business and with staff working remotely to serve them.
The new Bay East Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Task Force was established in 2020 with a commitment to provide the same opportunities and rights to each and every person by addressing diversity, equity, and inclusion issues, as well as bringing awareness to members and the communities we serve.
We seized the opportunities 2020 presented and remained focused on the Bay East mission and culture. Please take a moment to review the Bay East Annual Report for a complete summary of how Bay East responded during the remarkable year. Whatever 2021 brings, Bay East officers, directors, and staff will work to help you succeed as a real estate professional.